Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to reinstall Xbox Game Bar on Windows 11, 10. First method is open any browser. Copy URL text from description and paste it. Click Install Game Bar. Second method is open browser. Copy URL text from description and paste it. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.